Correcting Sentence Fragments, English Grammar Fundamentals. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In today's lesson, we will delve into the fascinating world of sentence fragments and learn how to correct them. Understanding sentence fragments is essential for constructing clear and coherent sentences. So, let's get started. Before we dive into correcting sentence fragments, let's first understand what they are. A sentence fragment is an incomplete sentence that lacks a subject, a verb, or does not express a complete thought. It's important to note that a sentence must contain a subject and a verb to be considered grammatically complete. Here are a few examples of sentence fragments. After dinner. Walking to the park. Because he was tired. Notice how these examples do not form complete thoughts or express a clear subject-verb relationship. Identifying sentence fragments is the first step in correcting them. Now that we know what sentence fragments are, let's explore how to correct them. There are a few strategies we can use to fix sentence fragments and transform them into complete sentences. Here are 3 effective methods. 2.1 Adding the missing subject or verb. One way to correct a sentence fragment is by adding the missing subject or verb. By including the necessary components, we can create a grammatically complete sentence. Let's look at an example. Fragment. After dinner. Correction. After dinner, we watched a movie. In this case, we added the subject, we, and the verb, watched, to form a complete sentence. 2.2 Joining with independent clauses. Another approach to correcting sentence fragments is by joining them with independent clauses. An independent clause can stand alone as a complete sentence and contains a subject and a verb. By connecting the fragment with an independent clause, we create a grammatically correct sentence. Let's see an example. Fragment. Walking to the park. Correction. We enjoyed walking to the park. Here, we joined the fragment with the independent clause, we enjoyed, to form a complete sentence. 2.3 Restructuring the fragment. Sometimes, we can restructure the sentence fragment to make it complete. By rearranging the words or adding necessary elements, we can transform the fragment into a full sentence. Let's consider an example. Fragment. Because he was tired. Correction. He didn't attend the party because he was tired. In this case, we restructured the fragment by adding the subject, he, and the verb, didn't attend. Remember, these are just a few methods to correct sentence fragments, and it's important to choose the most appropriate approach based on the context and meaning of the sentence. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to correct sentence fragments. By identifying and addressing sentence fragments, you can enhance the clarity and coherence of your writing. Remember to always check your sentences for complete thoughts, subjects, and verbs to ensure grammatical correctness. We hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on grammar fundamentals. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.